This is a charging unit for your batteries for your DJI Ryze Tello Drone. I recently purchased this off Amazon, and I'll post the links below if you're interested in it. As you open the box, you'll be greeted with a nice little pouch to store the unit in that makes it nice for you to travel or if you're taking it away from home. Then you have the charge unit itself. I really like how compact it is, yet still has the ability to charge up to 4 batteries at one time. Also comes with a charge cord, obviously, but this isn't just one that you have to plug in with a USB charging port, but instead it's an actual wall unit. It's the drone itself. Got 2 batteries here. Charge them up, plug them in. Nice.
So once you plug the unit in, the red lights will indicate that the batteries are indeed charging. Once they get fully charged, they will turn green. This also comes with an instruction manual. It's either in Chinese or Japanese or some other kind of ease. Oh, but if you flip it over, then it becomes English and easier to read.
But the main thing I want you to realize is right there. Please don't fall it. I don't even know what that means, but I'm sure it's probably pretty bad.
And just a reminder, if you are interested in this, the links will be below. And as always, guys, I appreciate you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe,